All right, so it's my turn. Okay, so just you need to install this in your device, whatever. But it's not that hard setup. So like per time like shit, like, you're gonna be able to do this. Okay, it's super easy. So first type Google Collab. Okay, and I'm getting this code. So just copy this code fully. Okay, it's super easy. You can even do this at your phone device, whatever. And I'm gonna just tell you how to do that. That's just a second. So just open this and just click on cancel and click on like shit any file you want to click, like your notebook and drive, whatever. Okay, just go there. Now you're gonna be able to create any freaking image you want, any type of image you want, like any shit you really want, right? And this will be very high quality. So do this, change this to run type to type GP. Change the run type to this shit, okay? And after that, just paste the code that I gave you, and I will type that in the description as well, so you get access. Just to click this one out. Now just give it like 1 to 3 minutes. Now it will open a server for you, which you could be able to access very easily. And once that server open, and let me just give it like 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Okay, now we got the shit. Okay, so now click on this link over here. Okay, now click on advanced. And here we go. We got the settings. You could use any model you want. And yes, any type realistic anime, ICM, whatever I shape. This will create super hyper realistic images for you. You can click on quality, speed, and click on generate prompt like shit. Click on any prompt like generate any images. An image of boy, and it will generate the image boy. And you could generate any image you want. For example, whatever you want, whatever you want to type in, whatever like shit stuff you want to do in this, like you could do that. And yeah, this tool is freaking amazing for sure. Now generating the image for me. So now let me tell you how you could do this the same thing, in mobile device. And yeah, let me open my mobile device in a quick. And you could do this in any device, Android, whatever like shit device you have, whatever like shit. Okay. And yeah. So now copy this one. Okay, yeah. You need to do the same thing basically. Oh, sorry. Google Collab. Okay, open the Google Collab. I'm sure you understand this by now. That you gotta go there because to use GPUs, and yeah, we need to use GPUs, cloud stuff, to be able to run this thing model. Click on new notebook, and it will just create a new notebook for you. And enter this, just paste this. Click here now, change the run type to T4 GPU and enter. Basically, click this shit here. Right. Once you do, it will run. Okay, now it's live. Click on this freaking link over here, and now you have the freaking thing on your mobile device as well. Click on advanced because it opens the new shit for you, and this is how it looks like. You could try the desktop mode over here, but whatever you prefer. this is how it looks like. And you can generate anything you want over here as well. Generate anything. Okay. And this is how it works. I hope you like this video.